Now I have taken two arrays. We are concatenating these two arrays, and combinedly I want another array which is consisting of 10 elements. Is it possible? Yes, that is possible. For that I have to use concatenate a comma b, concatenate these two arrays and create a new array which is consisting of 10 elements. Okay, now I will take different elements. This time I am taking 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Now you observe we have considered two arrays. Is it required to have the same size? No, not needed. This time I am taking the second array with only 3 elements. It is possible to concatenate. Yes, because we are not performing any element-wise addition or multiplication or a division. Simply we are adding the second array elements to the first array. So there is no requirement that the size of first array match with the size of second array. We are concatenating the elements of first array to the second array, and we are creating a new array.